Today it's still Monday, August 4th, 2025. Earlier I uploaded the video with the other C63. Now this C63. This is just a second. 2012. I installed before the steering wheel. Looks nice, looks okay. Couple of months ago. It's been a couple of months since I changed the steering wheel, right?
Yeah.
All right. What's the catch here? There is no battery to show you the mileage, the kilometers. You have the health report here. Let's see the health report. All right. Yeah. Okay. 193,427. 193,000 kilometers. What's the catch? Supercharger installation. The engine's bone stock connecting rods, stock pistons, everything stock. Alright, I'm gonna show you what kind of supercharger we're gonna install. For now, what they have done, the guys, they have stripped off everything, they have prepared the area here for me. Need to change also and drill the crankshaft and change also the...
This one
You extend it?
Yeah.
Alright, lovely for the map sensor and for the intake air temperature sensor. Amazing, well done guys. PCV, we're gonna put a new valve.
New one we have it here.
All right. This is an oil catch can.
Yeah.
So small. All right. As soon as it's working, right? Why not? Then I told them to remove also the alternator because as soon as I spin the alternator. Wait.
Can you turn it?
No, wait. The pulley is wobbling. Alright, yep. So let's see about that. I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna clean it, I'm gonna check the brushes, the bearings, and then we're gonna see what I'm gonna do with the rotor. It's the pulley, it's the rotor, because I have seen before having problem with the pulley. We're gonna see.
You the regulator also? The new one?
He brought a new one.
Yeah.
You wash the rest of the parts.
Also the parts, the pillar already washed, everything.
Nice.
All the ducts.
Nice.
The reinforcement, everything is washed.
Well done. Let's go now to see the... Well done here, well done here. Good, good. Nice. The transmission, it's bone stock. The clutches I'm talking about. Good luck with that. Intake manifold, yeah, back to the customer, to the owner. And this is the supercharger. 4 liters, and with the pulley that he get the owner, it's supposed to run at 7 psi. Good luck. I hope to have enough blow by, you know, from piston rings to don't bend the rods. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. We have here the damper pulley that needs to be drilled. There is the tool here inside. There is also the drill bit and the pins. This is the first video. This is the first part. Alright. That's the first part. Omar, no ice tank, right?
No ice tank. I asked him, we don't want.
He doesn't want an ice tank. So we need to find the tank.
The tank is there, the small one is inside.
Has a small tank. Alright, okay. Hey, with this weather, you're not gonna have one pool. You know, within a pool, it's gonna be the intake air temperature of the sky. Methanol?
This has it.
I have methanol.
Yeah.
Alright, something is that, at least. Alright, so, what's the catch here?
Carbon fiber.
Oh. Carbon fiber or fiberglass? Alright, never mind. It doesn't look like a carbon fiber, you see? Never mind, it is what it is. So that's the first part. When we're gonna start working on it, I'm gonna make the second part. I have to finish a couple of other stuff now. Be careful, don't connect anybody the battery, just in case. Put some masking tape on the terminals there, yeah, you know. Or you can disconnect it from here up. Omar, you can disconnect from here up.
That is already disconnected, the guys.
Yeah, I know, just in case. Don't plug anybody to see something or whatever. Open it, open it and just disconnect this cable, you know. This goes to the alternator and to the starter. Better safe than sorry, right? Alright, so that's it for now. Next part, start the installation. Thank you. Over and out. You want to add something? You want to say something?
No.
Don't remember something after finishing the video?
No. You already mentioned.
Lovely. Nice. Nice. You know what can we do here, eh? We can put he put a new one obviously, but it looks like a new one actually. We can put the reservoir in the fender there, inside, and we can put additional cooler here. You know, cooler for like the E-Class, to connect it with the Supercharger for additional cooling. Yeah, we're gonna see whatever he wants, the customer, whatever he wants. All right, that's it for now. We haven't even started, and the bracket's supposed to go away. Okay, oh, fine, classic. The secondary injection valves, it's been cancelled before. All right, they have blocked it before. All good. That's it for now. Thank you.